Hi friends, welcome to the Photoshop magic world. Today we are going to learn about how to change the clothes color into any color, even black color. If you are go ahead and download this one, follow along, you know what to do, check the link in the description. First we have to select the shirt selection through the pen tool or lasso tool, whatever you comfort with, but for this particular image I have used pen tool and saved in path selection. Selecting my path selection and copy paste into different layer. I think you all know shortcut keys for copy and paste. Click on create new fill, then select solid color. Take random color and press enter. Now press Ctrl Alt and G. Create group folder by Ctrl plus G, select again shirt selection and mask to the group folder. And now delete shirt layer. Now select the color fill layer and change the blending mode to multiply. It's looking good, but we have to do the best. Here it's now looks like flat, we have to add some depth and highlights. Click on new adjustment layer and select curves. Select the hand tool, click on dark or shadow part, just click and drag it down to make it dark. Now it's looking like realistic. Boom! It's done, just change the color as you want. Don't select absolute black, if you want black color select a gray color that looks realistic. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and no, it's just subscribe, ring the bells.